Pisces, welcome back to Ivy Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, please consider supporting the channel by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section on how the message resonates with you. By doing so, you will also be eligible for monthly giveaway reading, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month every month. If this message doesn't resonate with you, Pisces, please consider checking your moon, your rising, or your Venus sign, as this is going to be a collective general energy reading. It may or may not resonate with every single one of you. Alright, without further ado, let's get into your reading here. I've pulled two energy oracle cards for you here, Pisces, and the first card that I've got for you here is conflict, and the second card that I've got for you here is fear. With the overall energy that I've got for you here is increase here, Pisces. So with this three card here, I'm definitely sensing that you're currently at this point of time in your life where there are lots of conflicts, and this conflict could be fueled by fear, or this fear could actually fueling more conflict into your life at this point of time here, Pisces. And the overall energy that I've got for you here is increase. So the first message that I've got for you here, Pisces, is that you need to shift your attention, or you need to shift your mindset here. The more you focus on the conflict, the more you focus on the fear that you have at this point of time, the more it will increase here, Pisces. So it's time for you to actually release the fear, let go of the fear, and try to shift your mindset into deserving, into having a great gratitude energy here, Pisces. So because the main message that I've got for you for the month of August here is that what you focus on here, Pisces, that's what you're going to get. That's what is going to be increasing in your life here. So it's time for you to actually try to let go of the conflict, try to let go of the fear here. So whatever the cause of the conflict, whatever the cause of the fear here, what I would suggest you to do here is try to do a journaling here, Pisces. Try to write down your thoughts whenever you're having this fear, whenever you're having this anxiety or over worrying here, Pisces. Try to write it down. So by doing so, you will be able to understand what is the cause of the fear, what's the cause of you feeling this anxiety here. And once you finally figure out what is the cause here, we can get into the root of the problem and start healing from that. And by doing so, then you will change the energy here, making it into having more abundance and more peace into your life here, Pisces. Alright, so let's get into the tarot reading and see what the tarot says for you. The first card that I've got for you here, Pisces, is the King of Cups. So you're coming up in your reading here. And then I've got the Ace of Cups coming up here, as well as the Star card. So you could be dealing with another water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You could also be dealing with someone with a strong Aquarius in their chart as well. And I've got the Nine of Swords coming up here at the bottom of the deck. So I'm definitely sensing that you've been going through a lot of anxiety or fear here, Pisces, having some kind of a trouble sleeping here as well. And again, this is what I mean. The more you focus on this anxiety, the more you focus on this fear, the more it's going to increase. So it's time for you with this Ace of Cups energy. It's time for you to shift the mindset. I do feel like for some of you, you really need to work on your heart chakra. I do feel like definitely the heart chakra is kind of a little bit unbalanced or a little bit blocked here, Pisces. So with this Ace of Cups energy and the King of Cups energy here, I'm definitely sensing there are lots of emotional turmoil that is basically currently going on in your life at this point of time. And with this King of Cups energy, as you can see how this person is just being calm and grounded, and this is how you need to approach the problem in your life at this point of time here, Pisces. You kind of need to come from the place of grounded and mature, and not going to, and instead of focusing on the problem here, Pisces, you need to shift your mindset into a much more calmer ground here. So I would suggest you to do some kind of a guided meditation here. Try to sage yourself and do some spiritual bath as well. That's definitely going to help you as well here, Pisces. But the main thing here is definitely to heal your heart chakra. And with this Star card energy, I'm also getting the healing energy coming up here strongly, Pisces, as well as the Wish card coming up here. So whatever you wish for, again, whatever you wish for, whatever you decide to spend your energy, that whatever the things that you keep on thinking about, that's what you're going to get. That's what is going to get increased in your life here, Pisces. So it's time for you to shift your mindset and try to find a calm place. I would suggest you to do meditation strongly here, Pisces, with this King of Cups energy. So when you try to shut down all these voices, like all this noise of fear, all this noise of conflict, and when you start to focus and going within yourself, this is how you're going to find the answer here, Pisces. All right, so let's see the clarification here. I've got the King of Pentacles followed by the High Priestess card, and then I've got the Chariot card coming up for you. With the bottom of the deck that I've got for you here is Five of Pentacles. So I'm also sensing fear here, fear of being left out in the cold, fear of being not able to provide for yourself, being desperate and hopelessness. That kind of energy I'm also getting here. With this King of Pentacles, again, you've got so many King's energy, which is an indication towards me this is all within your power here, and it's just time for you to step into that power here, Pisces. You could also be dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo or Capricorn, or someone with a strong earth in their chart here. With this King of Pentacles, as you can see here, this person has all the resources that they need. It's just time for them to realize that and make use of those resources. And this is the same way that's currently going on in your life here, Pisces. You have all the resources to let go of the fear, to let go of all this anxiety, of being desperate and hopeless here, Pisces. And the moment you step into that power, the moment you step and make use of all those resources, and this is when you're going to see the changes in your life here. I've got the High Priestess card coming up here, which is again the representation of the Pisces. So this is all within your power here, Pisces. You have the magic within yourself here, and it's time for you to invoke that magic here. And the moment you do that, this is when you're going to see this is when you're going to see life is like this is when you're going to see positive movement in your life here with this Chariot card. With this Chariot card also, what I'm getting here is that for another message that I've got for you here, for some of you who have been separated with your person here, with this Chariot card, they're definitely coming back to your life here. But the blockages that I'm getting at this point of time for you is the fear and conflict. Again, heal your heart chakra is coming up strongly here, Pisces. The only way for you to, for those of you who are waiting for reconciliation or waiting for a new person to come into your life, the only thing that is stopping you at this point of time is your own fear. So the moment you heal your heart chakra, this is when things are going to flow naturally in your life here, Pisces. Alright, so let's get into the guidance card as we are closing the reading here. The guidance message that I've got for you here is freedom. With the message that I've got for you here is live wild and free. Choose your freedom, claim your independence. So again, this is what you need to do here. You need to choose what is making, like, what is going to give you the peace, what is going to give you the freedom here. Is all within your choice. Whatever you're going to choose here, this is what you're going to get increasingly in your life. And the bottom of the deck that I've got for you here, Pisces, is anger. With the message that I've got for you here is safely express your anger, use anger as a positive force, honor all your emotion as sacred. So with this card here, I do feel like definitely sensing that you're having this anger. Again, this anger relating to the fear and anxiety here. But you need to understand and you need to find a positive way on how to express your anger. And one of the way you can do that is by journaling as well as meditating here, Pisces. Alright, so that's it for your monthly August 2020 reading. I hope the reading resonates. If it does, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, as well as let me know in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day, stay safe and be blessed. Bye bye.